Hey, come along with us today as we do a make-ahead version of the Supper Club traditional cocktail, the Grasshopper. It's made with liquor and has the taste of a Thin Mint cookie. Hey everybody, we're the Wisco Wheeler YouTube channel. We love riding our mopeds and all things Wisconsin. Join us and we hope to inspire you to make your time with us in Wisconsin the best time in Wisconsin. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Let's get going so you can get your grasshoppers into the freezer. We love our Wisconsin after dinner cocktails and we're going to share one with you today. Here's what you'll need: ice cream, Cool Whip, cream de menthe, and cream de cocoa. First, you'll want to soften 2 quarts of ice cream. So just take the ice cream out of the freezer for 10 or 15 minutes and let it just get soft enough so that it's more easily for you to mix the ice cream and the Cool Whip together. I like to cut my ice cream into chunks so that it is easier to mix. Here you can see that it is still fairly firm, but a lot softer than when you would take it right out of the freezer. I love this recipe because you can make it days ahead and pull it out of the freezer when you're ready to serve. If you're someone that likes Thin Mint cookies, believe me, you are going to love this. Next, add the 8 ounces of Cool Whip to your mixing bowl with the ice cream. Now that I have the ice cream that's softened in the bowl and the Cool Whip, I just got out the hand mixer and I beat that together for a bit just until it gets all incorporated, and break up the chunks of the ice cream and mix that with the Cool Whip. It doesn't take long and it gets really smooth and creamy. Next, you're going to get out your liqueurs so that you can measure them, the cream de menthe and the cream de cocoa. Next, measure 3/4 cup of the cream de menthe, that's the green liqueur, and add that to your mixing bowl. Just a reminder, we love our green because we're from Wisconsin and we love our Green Bay Packers. Measure out the 3/4 cup of the cream de cocoa, the white liqueur, and also add that to the mixture. Now, when you first dump this in, you're probably thinking, what on earth happened? But yours will probably look like mine in the beginning. Once you start mixing it and it all combines, you have a much different looking product. I will be posting more drinks like this with Valentine and St. Patrick's Day themes, so if you don't want to miss out, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You will need a plastic container or some kind of a container that can be put into the freezer. Go ahead and freeze the grasshopper mixture for at least 8 hours. You can even freeze it longer because it stays nice and creamy. Now let's make some garnish for serving. I melt a few chocolate chips and dip the rim of the serving glass. I put the remaining chips into a Ziploc baggie and cut off the corner. Pipe freeform onto wax paper. Let solidify and your garnish is ready. When you're ready to serve, go ahead and take your grasshopper mixture out of the freezer. Give it a little stir and it is ready to serve. You can see how creamy it stays. They make the perfect creamy, minty, and simply decadent treat. A little whipped cream on top is great for garnish too. So whether you've been to a supper club and are longing for an at-home made version of the Grasshopper, or you'd just like to try one for yourself, feel free to enjoy. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do.